Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm welcoming you, all of you, to our channel Logos World. So, today I will go for a new logo which will be the iconic logo design. So, let's start and make some iconic logo. First of all, I will show you that which template you have to take here. You can see here many types of template, and you can also take from here which you want, which size you want, and you can here change the pixels, inches, which type of template, size of template you want, you can change here. And here millimeters, centimeter, inches, and pixels, points, everything in here. So let's start. I will take inches here, and I will take here, you can see 10 inches, 10 into 10. This is the perfect template for a logo design, because if you want to work on the Fiverr, freelancer, or any online platform, you have to take this type of template, which is 10 into 10 inch template, and this is the ideal size for anywhere. You can use it anywhere, and this is the perfect size for a logo design. So let's start and make some logo. Here I will create it. It will take few seconds, so let's wait. Okay, this wait. This is waiting, and now here we go. We got our template, so let's start and make some logo. First of all, I will show you here. This is the selection tool. This is a direct selection tool, which is, you can, if you work a design, then you can select any point of the design, and then you can flip it up of that design so perfectly. And this is a pen tool. I will show you what is the use of this pen tool. And this is the curvature tool. This is a curvature tool, and it will helpful for a pen tool. And this is the rectangular tool. If you go on this button, then you will get some tools, which is the ellipse tool, polygon tool, star tool, line segment tool, and many other things. And this is the paintbrush tool. we 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 saw it on the Photoshop software, and this is the Illustrator software. You have to take always logo design. For the logo design, you have to take Illustrator, because logo design should be the vector, so Illustrator must be needed. Now this is the type tool, this is the rotate tool, this is the eraser tool. If you can erase anything on here. And this is the shape builder tool. I will show you with this word. And this is gradient tool. Gradient tool is used for the color gradient. And this is the eyedropper tool. If you eyedropper means, I will show you these things. The white tool, this is the blend tool, this is the artboard tool, this is the zoom tool, and stock and default file, and this is the fill, color fill, and this is also the stroke for the stroke, and this is the change mode, skin mode menu. So let's start. And here is my artboard. This is the artboard which where I will work. So let's start and make some logo. First of all, I will take the pen tool. Every time every time on design, you have to take some pen tool, and I will take a pen tool here. You can see, and sorry, I made some mistake here. I'll make it 90. Sorry. And you can see here, this is also a logo. Do you recognize it? Which is this logo? Anyone recognize it? Which is this logo? Yes, this is the Nike logo, and this is how this is this is the simple, very simple logo. You can see, very simple logo. This is a 10 seconds work, and this is the $1 million logo. Now this is the $1 million logo, Nike logo. So this is how you can make a logo, and it is very simple. It's a very simple thing. So I will write down here, and I will I will make some logo again. Sorry. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Now select. Okay, I will go for here. Mm, here. Okay. Um, please wait. I will show you. Okay, I got it. Yes, I got it here. You can see. Just I will. Sorry. What is happening? I don't know. Uh, okay, here you can see. No, I made some mistake here. Now I will show you the another things. Sorry, my mouse didn't work perfectly, so I have to go for the elite tool here. Here you can see I made a elite tool here. made it red and need a rectangular tool here. I will change this color. Here you can see I changed its color. And this is the shape builder tool. Shape builder tool is used for the cutting, the portion cutting. And now I will cut this portion. You have to go the hold the Alter key and press the left button of the mouse and cut it down this portion, and we got the right shape which I have want. Then I will decrease its I will make it sorry I will make it 0, and I will make here another things which you have to click Alter and go for the same things and drag it drop. So here I will flip it up. Yes, you can see here, and this is also a logo, and I will change its color. I will change its color, and I think this is the perfect, and this will be the which color will be perfect here. This gray will be the perfect here, and you can see the things, the iconic logo I showed you, and this also a iconic logo. You can change its color anytime. So I change its color. Its color will be the give the yellow color here. Give the yellow, and stroke will be the decrease will be the 0. So here you can see how easy a iconic logo for make a design. You can see here this is a very easy design for any designer to make an iconic logo. Please try to try it on your home, and please make practice. Please make practice. If you practice more, then you can do anything here. So today's class is at the end. I will show you the more things on the next class, and please do subscribe our channel, like, comment and share please, and thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.